All right. Earl time. I've already filled the new filter. It took damn near a quart. This is a fresh 5-quart jug. We're going to dump this baby all the way in. Tomorrow, we'll put the dipstick in. We'll do our little bit of ignition wiring we got to do. Do a carb. Accessories, radiator, cooling system.
Yeah.
Power steering fluid. And hopefully go for a drive tomorrow.
That's the plan, right?
That's the plan, Stan. Good old VR1.
Housekeeping.
King fries are done, Brinzy.
Oops.
The good oil smells good.
KFC?
No, that was the
Castro.
That was the Castro Matt ran in the
Dude,
prelude.
that was funny.
See, this stuff smells like KFC. That was forever ago. Those were the days.
The easy days.
And when things were fun.
Dude. 18, 19, 21. Like, things are simple, dude. Always had money for stuff.
We never had money. Quit lying.
I was never broke either.
Yeah, well, you know. Anyway. Oil's in.
Yay!
Yay. We'll do power steering fluid tomorrow. We'll put that on the list. And alright, we're doing good.